Morning class. In this video we will continue the previous exercise, chapter number 1, knowing our numbers. Date is 29/4/20. Now read the question number 5. A vessel contains 6 liters 400 ml of milk. How many glasses of 50 ml each can be filled? Capacity of the container or vessel is equal to given 6 liter 400 ml. You can see now, and we will convert into ml. We know 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml, so it becomes 6400 ml. Glass capacity is 50 ml. Actually we have to convert this unit into ml because our smaller unit was in ml, so we have to make the equal same unit. Okay, now since we have to find out how many glasses are required to measure this, we will divide the number. So we will add 6400 divided by 50. Now writing here 6400, dividing the number 51 is 50, 4 minus 0 4, 6 minus 5 1, and taking 0, 52 is 100, 0 and 4, taking 0, 5 8 is 40, adding the 0, subtracting the numbers. So you understood that after dividing the number we have 128 glasses as an answer. Coming to the next question, the distance between the house and the office of a lady is 2 km 350 meter. Every day she walks from house to her office and then from her office to house again. Find the total distance covered by her in 5 working days. So you understood this distance between the office and again office to house. Distance from house to office is given 2 km 350 meter. Distance covered in one day, as you know, she goes and comes out, so we will multiply the number by 2. Multiply the number 200, 2 5 is 10, 2 3 is 6, 1 7, and 2 2 is 4. So one day she goes 4 km and 700 meter. Now covering the distance in 5 days. 4 km 700 meter multiplied by 5. Now see, multiplying the number 500, 500, 5 7 is 35, carry 3, 5 4 is 20 plus 3 23. So you see the answer 23 km and 500 meter is the answer. Now coming to the question number 7. Find the difference between the greatest and the least numbers that can be written using the digits 5, 3, 7, 4, 6 each only once. It means we have to understood we have to find out the greatest number, least means smallest number of these given digits, arranging the digits in greatest order. Greatest number, writing the number in greatest form 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Now smallest number or least number? Least number 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now finding the difference. Difference 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we will subtract the number 13 minus 7, 6, 13 minus 6, 7, 14 minus 5, it is 9, 5 minus 4 is 1 and 7 minus 3 it is 4. So after subtracting the number, this is our answer. So I hope you have understood this exercise and you have to complete this all questions in your notebook of fair copy. Beside this, I will give you some clicks of the homework, so you have to note down your homework and solve it as soon as possible. Okay students, thank you very much. Homework is question number 8. To stitch one set 2 meter 15 centimeter of cloth is required. How much cloth is required to stitch 85 shirts? And question number 9 is a rope 62 meter 80 centimeter long has been cut into 40 equal pieces. Find the length of each piece. Listen carefully, this is your homework. You have to do your homework carefully. In case you don't know, I will teach you later. Thank you very much.